All right, so once you have everything set up, it will bring up, I know the camera doesn't pick it up, but you can see it better. So if you have a black backdrop like you're supposed to have, it's going to appear, and like right now I can see everything up on there. I know the camera doesn't quite show it that well, but I can see everything up there. So when you have it mounted against and you have a black, you can actually see everything. You can position it. So there's so much that you can do with this. You know, we would spend hours making a video. So what I recommend you doing is check out the listing. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you a T11 teleprompter. Now this is a portable teleprompter and it works with smartphone DSLR, fits all smartphones and tablets up to 11 inches. So let's go right ahead. It has lens mounting rings, Android iOS app, Bluetooth remote. So you guys are getting a real user experience. My videos are not scripted. So this is a real user experience. All right, you get a manual. Looks like it comes in a really nice carrying case. Nice portable, hard protective case that will protect it, so that's a plus. So everything, it looks like it's compartmentalized. That's nice. Looks like phone brackets. Wow. So I think they provide you with almost everything. Different lenses. Let's see in here. Foam support pieces, protective pieces. This is the remote. Let's see here. It does take 2 AAA batteries, so we'll go ahead and put some batteries in that when we are ready. Yeah, so all the accessories that they provide you with. All right, so this is the light blocking screen. Let's see here how we want to pull this out. Okay, so this is actually Velcroed. You just pull that open and pull this out. So this is it. All right guys, so far they make this very simple and easy. Everything is Velcro. So yeah, they make it really nice. Nice and easy to set up. Yes, so far so good. Okay, so that locks in place. Okay, my friends, to take this piece off, you would press this down and pull this up, and then you twist this, and this just pops right out. When this is off, you're gonna mount this on and thread this in when it's off. So before you put it back on, you just make it tight. And then now this whole piece, now you can position this. So if you want it higher or lower, you're gonna have to play with it a little bit to see where you want to position it at. So we're actually gonna go a little lower. Now that we got it in place, we're just gonna go ahead, push down, twist, lock it back in place. And now we are good to go. And they do have, you know, different ones. All right, so once you have everything set up, it will bring up, I know the camera doesn't pick it up, but you can see it better. So if you have a black backdrop like you're supposed to have, it's going to appear, and like right now I can see everything up on there. I know the camera doesn't quite show it that well, but I can see everything up there. So when you have it mounted against and you have a black, you can actually see everything. You can position it. So there's so much that you can do with this. You know, we would spend hours making a video. So what I recommend you doing is check out the listing, the complete listing, and then, you know, when you get it, check out the installation manual, because there's way too many different ways you can actually do this, which is a really good thing, but that would make for a 4 or 5 hour long video. So we just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It's simple to put together, it's simple to take apart when you're done. Very simple. Fold it right back up, package everything away. It's not time consuming at all to put it together and take it apart. That's the nice thing about this kit. So just keep that in mind. You know, once you're used to this, as you guys see, everything is very easy. Everything is very simple to put back. So now I'm just demonstrating for you guys how quick and easy this is to put everything back the way it was. But again, for other options, you know, this is the blackout circle to use. For all the other options, make sure you check out your manual, but it's a really nice portable teleprompter.